Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to an interesting video. Let's see what are we gonna do here. You have to get the sheets beautifully arranged into this form and get this lotus made. This is gonna look so pretty. Now here also you have to get the cutouts, get the curls made. You have to get them arranged in this form and get them beautifully secured one over the other and tuck them up. Now you have to paste them in this manner and get a beautiful flower vase ready. Now here you have to get the sheet, you have to cut them fold by folding it in this manner and get a beautiful flower made. Further you have to attach them, get a little curvy, and then you have to secure it inside the buds like this. Further you have to get the leaves, get them beautifully arranged into this form, and this is gonna look so pretty. Now here what are we gonna do? Again you have to get the cuts in the sheets like this, get them arranged over a flower pot in this manner, and this is gonna look so beautiful, isn't it? Get the leaves pasted as well. Now here also you have to get the sheet, get them beautifully arranged in the middle. You have to paste them and now just fold them. Get the creases and folds like this, and this pattern is gonna look so pretty. You have to paste it one over the other in this manner, and this is gonna look so amazing. Now here what are we up to? Here also you have to get the sheets, cut them in this manner, get them beautifully arranged like this. Further you have to get it over a flower vase in this manner to make it look even more interesting and beautiful. Now here what are we up to? You have to get the flowers, open it, get them beautifully arranged in this way, and then this is gonna look so pretty. Now here you have to get the leaves, paste it in this manner and get them beautifully arranged like this. This is gonna look so pretty, isn't it? Now get the branches of a tree. Further you have to get the sheets, fold them and secure them in this manner. Then you have to get the flowers, attach them in this manner. Further what are we up to? You have to get the rolls, attach them in between, and then you have to get the leaves pasted in this manner to make it look like this, and this is gonna look so pretty and amazing. Now here what are we up to? You have to get the cutouts, get a beautiful rose made out of it. Now get a flower vase, you have to arrange them beautifully in this manner. Further what are we up to? You have to get the leaves, roll them into this position. You have to get the flowers, arrange them in this manner one over the other and get a beautiful flower vase ready. Now what are we up to? Here we have to get a beautiful flower made, get them unfold into this position, get them made like this. Now you have to make it a little curvy. Now get the layers like this, you have to paste it all over it and your flower vase is ready. Further here you have to get the sticks, arrange the flowers in this manner, beautiful lovely flowers of violet color, and this is gonna look so pretty. Now here also you have to get the sheet, get them beautifully arranged, you have to cut them into a beautiful nice flower like this. Now get a beautiful lovely garden scene and you have to paste all the flowers all over it. Further here you have to get them beautifully secured into this manner and you have to just arrange them like this, get a bud in between and you have to get a flower vase made into this form. And this is gonna look so pretty.